turning ideas into action. The Conference on the Future of Europe has seen panels of ordinary citizens formulate and deliver nearly 200 proposals on how to improve the EU. Now they're being fine-tuned in Strasbourg, where working groups brought panel representatives together with members of the European and national parliaments, EU institutions and civil society.
They gave us a lot of concrete issues, for example, about transparency, about the question that the language of Europe is sometimes too bureaucratic and not understandable.
The conference plenary debated draft proposals on youth and education and how to balance the economy and social justice in the age of digital transformation. Citizens challenged the input of politicians and stakeholders, insisting their recommendations should not be watered down.
Although we as citizens do welcome the many additions to our recommendations, we do fear that our recommendations are in risk of drowning in political agenda.
Ich bin immer noch optimistisch, dass wir hier eine Lösung finden können, aber ich sehe die Sorgen der Bürgerinnen auch. Und ich fühle mich verpflichtet, wie alle im Parlament. Wir nehmen diese Forderungen ernst, wir diskutieren sie.
Plenary also examined new recommendations on migration, health and climate change and debated the EU's place in the world, democracy, rights and values.
There are a lot of good proposals, but some of them remain quite vague. We need to ensure that we don't just produce proposals where it will be too easy to dismiss them after the conference.
Plenary will meet again to finalise conclusions to be handed over to the presidents of the European Parliament, Commission and Council.
There is naturally still a lot of work to do. What I have as conclusion of the work of the 2 last days is that we have found together a method based on the recommendations of the citizens to come to real conclusions for this conference.